Hey everyone, welcome back. US President Donald Trump has announced that steep new tariffs on imports from several countries will take effect starting April 9. The move is expected to heavily impact companies like Apple, which assembles most of its iPhones in China. Under the new policy, products imported from China will be subject to a whopping 54% tariff. Analysts warn that the tariffs could drive up iPhone prices in the US by as much as 43%, according to a report from Rosenblatt Securities by Reuters. If Apple passes the full cost of the tariffs on to consumers, the high-end iPhone 16 Pro Max with 1 TB of storage could see its price increase from $1,599 to nearly $2,300. At the lower end, the base model iPhone 16e, currently expected to be priced around $599, could rise to just over $850. It's also worth pointing out that iPhone 16 Pro with 256 GB of storage might jump from $999 to more than $1,400. Nansar from Counterpoint Research estimates Apple would need to increase iPhone prices by at least 30% on average to fully offset the cost of the tariffs. So far, Apple has not issued a public statement regarding the new tariffs. It's unclear whether the company plans to raise prices on the upcoming iPhone 16 lineup, delay price hikes until the iPhone 17 launch, or explore alternative strategies to manage the added costs. Since the tariffs announcement, Apple stock has fallen nearly 15%, reflecting investor concerns about the potential financial impact. As the tariff deadline approaches, all eyes are on Apple to see how the company responds. Will iPhone prices surge, or will Apple find a way to absorb the costs without passing them on to consumers? Either way, major changes could be on the horizon for both the tech giant and its consumers. So stay tuned for updates as the situation develops, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how global policies are shaping the tech world.